boy Package 11. Alright, what is up everybody? It is your boy Package 11 right here. So I got this little blue thing behind me. Yeah, it's gonna be difficult trying to use this. But guess there's not gonna be a stream today. Cause I tried to stream. Actually, yeah, when I went to go do the stream and set up for it, it said I need to change my password for my PSN. So I said, alright, I'll change my PSN password. I was sitting there trying to change my password for like 2 hours. So I went on a site through my phone. They said, you gotta wait within 24 hours before you get to change your email. So I can't do nothing but like just make videos and edit them. That's all I could do. The bullshit in this game. That's all rain. That's all rain. But give this video a thumbs up, I guess.